This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Quality custom-built ranch home on a large corner lot in desirable Lago Mar. Light and bright entryway has a detailed glass front door with sidelights and ceramic tile flooring. Open floor plan with 4 bedrooms on the first floor. Gracious first floor primary suite with vaulted ceiling and large walk-in closet. Spacious primary bathroom includes double vanity, ceramic tile surround tub and lots of natural light. Elegant formal dining room with double tray ceiling and attractive crown molding. The family room has vaulted ceiling, a gas fireplace with tile surround and built-ins. Eat-in kitchen includes ceramic tile flooring, glass front accent cabinets and Corian countertops. 3-car garage with tons of built-in cabinetry. Relax on the rear covered porch overlooking the backyard. Oversized closets provide ample storage throughout the home. Nearby to multiple community parks, golf courses, Sandbridge Beach, bases, all the shops and restaurants of Red Mill and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-470-1139.